Welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we will learn how to install a software agent on Linux, Unix and MacOS computers. For installations on Unix systems, such as Linux, macOS, etc., there are different types of packages to install. From tarball files for any distribution to specific files for the most popular distributions such as Ubuntu, Debian or CentOS. We'll start with the installation of the agents from a tarball package. We download the agent from our SourceForge repository. There we select the version of Pandora FMS that we have installed and select the operating system that we are going to monitor. In this case, a tarball package. We download the agent package in .tar.gz format. We access the terminal as root or as a user and root with the command sudo su. We copy a temporary directory that can be, for example, /tmp tar.gz file, and inside the tmp directory we run tar xvzf and the name of our tar.gz file. To unzip our file, we access the Unix folder with the cd unix command. Inside the Unix folder we run the installer Pandora Agent Installer. If we run it without parameters, it will show us the help. We run it by adding the parameter --install to install the agent without the default options. We manually start the agent by running the command /etc/.d/Pandora agent daemon start. If we access the Pandora FMS console, we can see that we are already receiving data. We should keep in mind that when we install our agent, there are certain libraries that will be necessary, the so-called dependencies. We must first download the dependency of Perl, and the dependency Perl syslog is mandatory added to it. Added to these dependencies, it is possible that it will be needed later to install some more dependencies if we want to use some advanced features of the agent, but they are not mandatory for the installation of our agent and the basic data collection. If our agent is for a CentOS or Red Hat system, we download the agent from our SourceForge repository and we download the agent package in the format RPM. We open a terminal and root with the command sudo su. Run the command rpm-i and the file name to install the package. If the CentOS repository is enabled, the agent can be installed by running yum install Pandora FMS agent. Keep in mind that when we install our agent, there are certain libraries that will be necessary. Usually, if we access the repositories and use the command yum install Pandora FMS agent, the system resolves and installs the dependencies automatically. If our agent is for an Ubuntu or Debian system, we download the agent from our SourceForge repository and we download the package deb. We open a terminal and root with the command sudo su. To install it, run the command dpkg-i and file name. In case the Debian repository is activated, you can install the agent directly with the command apt-get install Pandora FMS agent Unix. In order to be able to configure the agent, we must enter /etc/pandora_agent.conf. Here we can activate the remote configuration by setting 1 to the remote config field to be able to view and modify this file from the console, as we'll see later. We can also modify other data such as the name of the agent or the Pandora server to which it will report from this file. After making the changes, we restart the agent with the command /etc/init.d/Pandora agent daemon start and then stop. The change will be applied quickly in this way. Another way to easily modify and configure our agents is by using policies or self-configuration, which will allow us to apply groups of metrics, alerts, and collections in bulk or based on logical rules. But we will see this tool later in another video. So far our video today. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave us a comment. See you next time. Bye!